Look, if you want to get rich with penny stocks, you need to know the difference between a great stock and a great business. Those are two, I don't want to say they're mutually exclusive, but they're two completely separate things. You can have a great business growing, 25, 30% a year, sales earnings growing, and the stock goes nowhere. It's a dog with fleas. Imagine having your money tied up in a dog with fleas for 10 years, going absolutely nowhere. We don't want that, right? Or would you rather have a company that, has a lot of promises? It's very exciting. They got a lot of news flow. There's always something exciting going on. And the execution is, hit and miss, right? They have road bumps, but the stock increases 1,000%, 2,000%. 5,000%. So, you're making 10 times, 20 times, 50 times your money, maybe even 100 times your money, right? 100 might be an exaggeration. That takes quite a while. But yeah, would you rather have a situation where you're making, 10 times your money in a year, and the company kind of fails to live up to the great hopes and dreams that people have in it? That happens. That's kind of the reality of the markets. The markets always get far ahead of themselves. It's just the way the human mind works, unfortunately. But yeah, so again, the stock and the business are separate things. And a lot of times investors think, hey, just because the company's doing great, they're executing, that the stock will do well. No. Those are two completely separate things. For a stock to do well, the company needs to tell the right story to the right people. That's where stock promotion comes in. That's where I come into the picture, the $1 trillion man. I've helped create over $1 trillion in shareholder wealth over the past 25 years, introducing investors like you to stocks that increased 1,000, 2,000, 5,000%, 10,000%. That's right, literally 100 baggers. We've had quite a few 100 baggers. I shouldn't say quite a few. I think it's about 4, at least 3, possibly 4, maybe more. I don't know, but at least 3. Okay, at least 3. And many 10 baggers, 20 baggers. I don't even count the doubles and triples, 5Xers. That's like, doesn't even interest me. I think that's a company that fails to live up to its potential. In the last 18 months, we've had a really great run. I've brought you guys 9 stocks that increased between 10x and 50x. 10 baggers, 50 baggers, 9 of those. Nobody else has done that. It's not luck. It is based on a proven formula of, finding 10 bagger super stocks, which I talk about in my book, which you can read shortly. It's coming out. It's already a bestseller, even though it's not out yet. It's already a New York Times bestseller. Imagine that. This is incredible. But yeah, this is very important for you to know. Is don't fall in love with a story. Don't fall in love with these fantasies and dreams. You got to be realistic. Once something moves up 10x in a short period of 12 months, you got to take your money and run. Sell it, move on to the next thing. Again, the key, time is money. The key to making money in this game is turnover, parlaying your winners. Imagine you take 10x, turn that into a next 10 bagger, another 10 bagger. You do that a couple times, and literally, no joke, you can turn $2,000 into like $20 million. I'm not exaggerating. Just do the math. If you take 10x, you turn $2,000, you make 10 times your money. You repeat that process 3, 4, 5 times in a row. Compound. All in. Huge gains. That's what this game is all about.